This is the Iowa Weather Report for Wednesday, October 16th, 2013. Now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run. At 1 p.m. this afternoon, we still have some energy hanging back from the panhandles of Oklahoma and Texas through the Great Lakes up into Canada with the trough axis nearby. That's with that departing storm system that brought a little bit of rain to the state yesterday morning. That'll be well off to our east and south. We have a disturbance over the Oklahoma and Texas panhandle that may brush the southeastern counties later tonight with a little bit of rain. That'll be off to the east over the Great Lakes on Thursday with some rain extending down into the south, but you can see the height values dropping to our north and west. That's another push of cooler air, and that looks to be around here Friday. And that could bring a little bit of isolated shower activity. Some graupel could be mixed in with the rain given the height levels and the temperatures above the surface. And that looks to also continue into Saturday. Friday and Saturday's highs could be stuck in the upper 40s, especially in areas that get a lot of cloudiness, to maybe the mid to upper 50s where more sunshine could break out. Sunday, however, as we move to Sunday, you can see the height levels are a little bit higher, and there's no precipitation around, although we can't really rule out a few afternoon clouds. Highs will likely be from about 50 north and east to maybe near 60 south and west, but another disturbance moves through Monday, and that could bring some more rain to the state. That would lower the temperatures back into the lower to middle 50s, maybe a rain-snow mix to our north across northern Minnesota and Wisconsin. And then as we move into Tuesday, it looks like another system is coming down with this northwesterly flow, a low-pressure center near International Falls. That could bring some rain breaking out in the northwestern counties late Tuesday with snow up in the Dakotas. A week from today, you can still see this trough just digging in across the northern plains, the upper Midwest, and the Great Lakes. Some energy rotating around the Great Lakes, another piece of energy up over Manitoba. And that's just going to keep it really cold. We have a fairly big low-pressure center near about Sault Ste. Marie, Michigan, or Marquette, Michigan, and that's just going to bring cold air down. That could bring us some flurries as early as a week from today. Even into the extended period, it doesn't look much better. You can see some energy in the Pacific Northwest, some over the Great Lakes up into the Canadian Maritimes. And it doesn't look very warm with this pattern. It looks quite cold. It looks quite snowy to our west with some snow, maybe blizzard conditions in Wyoming and Montana. Maybe some rain or snow around here with the height levels they are. At the end of the forecast, here on Halloween, it doesn't look much better. A ridge over the west with a bit of a split flow. Big trough and upper level feature in eastern Canada, and that's just going to keep the cold air down. So the latter half of October looks very cold, and in this case it looks snowy in the Great Lakes with some showers and thunderstorms over the southeastern states. Taking a look at the satellite image from last evening, we had that frontal system moving off to the east with some moisture that was what was once Tropical Storm Octave that hit Baja the other day. Few low clouds to our north and west, otherwise it's fairly calm. The watch warning map from last evening, some flash flood watches across Texas into Arkansas and northwestern Louisiana, some frost and freeze advisories in the Oklahoma and Texas panhandle through Colorado, Kansas, and the southern part of Nebraska. QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Sunday evening at 7 o'clock, showing almost nothing around here. Best chances of rain over Texas, up into the Tennessee River Valley, and across the eastern and central Great Lakes.